Hi there. Recently, I've been thinking a lot about the human psychology aspect of artificial intelligence. And the thing that I'm finding with a lot of people that I'm working with, that's one of our biggest challenges today. Look, any technology you buy can typically do some analysis, give you better visualization, be agentic, do a bunch of work for your user. The problem that we are constantly running into is that we are so obsessed with the engineering aspect of AI. We basically just want to solve the technical problem. Better model, less hallucination, faster responses, cheaper AI, all the typical left brain things to address it. And the challenge that I'm seeing is that most of us are not really thinking so much about the human and the psychological impact. If you're going to give me AI, how do you actually make sure it solves my problem? I've been in the CRM space since 99. And most people that I know don't want to use a CRM, particularly in sales. They really dislike it for the most part. Often it's because it seems to come across as a tax and an undue burden instead of an actual solution to their problem. It's not really helping them sell more or better. Often it's just management reporting. It's got CPQ that is super annoying and takes forever to generate quotes. It's like there's no thought put into that thing. Companies spend millions of dollars buying cutting-edge CRM tools, and they don't spend enough time, money, or thought on the human aspect of deploying them, on change management, on the psychology of end user and how they will use your product or solution. And that's the straw that's going to break the AI camel's back, in my opinion. People don't really like what we are making here. And I don't care which company you work for, what software technology solution or platform you have. Your end users have an adoption problem. They are very content to pay $20 out of their pocket and do stuff on ChatGPT or Cloud or something, even if it may be not so approved by your company, all the other challenges that you may have. And the bottom line is, when you go down a different path with some CRM system, some ERP, Salesforce, Agentforce, GPTfy, whatever, you still run into the adoption challenge. How are we making their lives easier? How are we making their jobs easier? Most people I talk to are so busy just interested in deploying technology and fancy new things that they keep hearing about at trade shows and from other technology pundits and vendors, that the basic idea that we need to go solve our end user's problem seems like a rather foreign thing. Curious to hear what you think about it. Thank you from a very cold Chicago.